This is a Data East CPU that came in. Had some toasting going on down here, so this is ugly, but it works. And the main problem was that it wasn't booting, and the problem down here in the transistor drives or solenoid drives was that whatever was causing that backfed into all these 7408s and backfed into this LS273 and then backfed into this 6821 and killed the ability of the CPU to boot. But we've changed out all that and we've tested everything. This one's for video posterity. Let's turn it on and it boots just fine. So let's take it through the tests. It's a sounds test.
Hey man, we're both underachievers.
So we can see that the sound circuitry is commanding the correct sounds. Get that hair out of the eyes. And display test is working perfectly, and the next test is lamp test, I believe. I'm sorry, switch test. So I use my switch test rig here to go through all the switches in column 1 and then all the rows in row 1. I mean all the columns in row 1. And you can see all those are working perfectly. Going diagonal across the switch matrix now. All good there. No active switches. All lamps test. See, that's working properly. And then it wants to go through the lamp returns. The next is going to be lamp columns. All correct. And then individual lamps. And of course that is working also. The next test I believe is, yes, it's the flasher test. So it's just cycling through all the flashers. And the next test should be coil test. Coil. This is the bright light is the AC select relay coming on. I've got a blue LED in there which is excessively bright. You can see it's going through the A side and the C side for every solenoid in the solenoid drive circuitry. Now these are the 6 special solenoids. And those are all working. I'm going to connect a ground wire up and rake the special solenoid switches here, just like this. I'll do it again with the camera down here. 4, 5, 6. So those are all the special solenoid switch inputs. You can do individual coils, no point in that. So, this board is 100% operating. I would advise the client to put an NVRAM in there, but this one's good to go. Thank you so much.